Deep in the heart of the Whispering Woods lived a little deer named Danny. Danny loved to jump over mossy logs and play hide and seek with the butterflies. Every morning, he woke up with a happy wiggle of his nose. Just past the woods sat a beautiful garden. It was filled with rows of crunchy carrots and trees heavy with purple plums. Danny looked at the garden and his tummy let out a loud rumble-grumble. Danny knew the garden belonged to someone else, but the plums looked so sweet. He hopped over the fence with a soft thud and began to eat. Munch, crunch, gulp. The plums were the tastiest things he had ever found. Suddenly, a dry twig snapped nearby. Danny's long ears pricked up. He froze as he heard footsteps coming down the garden path. He knew someone was coming to check on the trees. At the gate stood Farmer Pip. He was carrying a big woven basket for his harvest. He stopped and looked at his plum tree. Then he looked right at Danny. Danny's heart went thump, 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 thump. His legs wanted to run away as fast as they could, back to the safe, dark woods. But Danny stopped himself. He knew he had done something wrong. Farmer Pip walked closer. "Oh my," he said softly. "Are you the one who has been eating my purple plums?" Danny didn't run. Instead, he took a slow breath and bowed his head very low. "I am very sorry, Farmer Pip," Danny whispered. "I was so hungry and your plums looked so delicious. I should not have eaten them without asking you first." Farmer Pip had never heard a deer speak so honestly before. He reached up and adjusted his hat, feeling very surprised. He saw that Danny was truly sorry for what he had done. Farmer Pip smiled a gentle smile. "Because you stayed and told the truth, I am not angry," he said. "Honesty is a very brave thing, Danny. You may go home now, and I will not be cross." Danny hopped back over the fence and ran all the way to his favorite meadow. He felt wonderful. His tummy was full, but his heart felt even better because he had told the truth. Danny never went back to eat the farmer's plums again. He found plenty of sweet berries in the woods to share with his friends. Danny learned that when you are honest, you win people's hearts, and that is the best prize of all.